Team Associated, B64s. So here's a little bit of a race. As you can see, the cars are pretty even in this race. We're staying together. Before this race, we were doing quite a lot of practice, and Stu, which is the white and yellow buggy, was the last one to come off. And as you can see, he's starting to get a little bit of a lead on myself and Daniel. But Stu did notice that his car started to slow down.
Hi guys, it's Ellie from Short Track RC, and today I'm going to be installing some fans to try and help cool down the motors. Myself and Stu have had some very close calls on overheating. So we're hoping that once we've installed these fans, it will help us and we might be able to run a little bit longer as well.
So as I said earlier, Stu did get a little bit of a lead, but he did actually start to feel a little bit of overheating. So this is what we did.
All right, so I've taken the cover off of my B64 Team Associated buggy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to install the mount first, which what I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew the two screws that are on top of my differential cover, and once I do that, I'm going to put the mount on it and screw them back through. So the cooling fan that we're going to be using is the HR cooling fan. Now that I have the mount set up on the 1B64, I'm going to move on to the next. So I have one fan that's going to go on this car. I am waiting for the other fan to come in for the other one, but for right now, let's put the fan on for this one. All right, so I have already unscrewed the two screws for the mount. Just gonna make sure I'm putting it on the right way. So for this one, I am gonna put some spacers just because I think the fan needs to be a little higher up than just the mount. I think it will be a little bit too close. So the spacers that I'm gonna use are these. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them like this on all of the parts where the fan will go on. So now that I have the fan in place on the motor, as you can see, it's secure. It's not falling out, which is a good sign. All right, so let's test it. I got a battery. Let's try it. Battery's in. The fan is into the receiver. Let's turn it on. Let's see what happens. And it works. Perfect. Well, now that the fan is installed, hopefully it will help with our overheating issue.
Please subscribe, like, and share, and turn your notifications on to Short Track RC and watch this video right now.